Okay, we're looking at drawing a clamp for the alarm, and I'm going to start off by drawing a rectangle here. I'm then just going to come round to here, so I'm looking down on it. I'm going to use the curve tool to go from end point to end point, draw a line on the red axis out to its a half circle, and repeat that at the other end. Half circle. There we go, there. Then use the eraser to heal that shape. Then we can extrude that. Let's just come around so you can see slightly better. Then we've got to put a shape on here. Actually, just take that down. There. We can use the straight line tool to find the midpoint. Divide that again there and there, midpoint of that, and then one more time to find where's it gone, midpoint there, and all that means is we've just divided it up equally. Again, we can then erase these, and we're going to use that one. Then we're going to use the extrude tool to pull that up, turn around this like that. Use the curve tool on edge there, pull it up to there. That will do. Remove this section here. Then this tool here to insert there, but of course we don't need this section down the bottom there, so if we take a line across here and again delete this, and then remove that part. Where's it gone? Sorry, I'll do that again. Move that through to how it goes. And there we've got our clamp. Oh, pushed it through too far.